What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video, and in today's video we're going to be giving another Bitcoin daily analysis. As you can see on the 1 hour chart, Bitcoin is currently trading at $66,370. So we have seen an increase in price relative to yesterday's price, which was around 64,000, give or take. As you can see, Bitcoin is trading in this ascending like channel. As you can see on the bottom trend line, Bitcoin has 3 touch points, followed by the top trend line, which has 4 touch points. We're on the verge of that 5th touch point on the top trend line, as you can see near that green marker, where I've drawn my prediction on what the price can do next. We could very well break that top trend line and go parabolic, as indicated with the top orange arrow. Again, it just depends on the macro conditions like the Clarity Act, the Middle Eastern conflict, hopefully, new blockchain regulation, new infrastructures being implemented into our system. So there's just a lot of moving parts going on to make Bitcoin's price extremely volatile. We could break that bottom trend line, dip even further. As stated, again, just depends on the macro conditions. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on the 1 hour chart. What's your take per se? Do you use the 1 hour chart necessarily for price analysis, or do you use more smaller time frames or more higher time frames? I usually go with the 1 hour and 4 hour because I feel like that gives a very broad perspective, especially on the daily analysis aspect of what Bitcoin's price is doing and what it could do. But I would like to show you guys the 4 hour chart just to give you guys a much broader perspective on Bitcoin's trading activity. As you can see on the 4 hour chart, Bitcoin is still trading at relatively about $66,466. So relatively the same compared to the 1 hour chart. As you can see, this particular pattern on the 4 hour chart is a descending channel. So the opposite of the 1 hour chart. So you can kind of see the difference there. As you can see on the 1 hour, on the bottom trend line, Bitcoin has 3 touch points, followed by the top trend line, which also has 3 touch points. As you can see on that last touch points, if you can actually see that it's actually breaking out of that top trend line, as indicated with the top orange arrow, we could relatively continue to move in that direction, give or take the macro events like the Clarity Act, the Middle Eastern conflict. Hopefully a lot of resolution is happening in the world of economics in terms of those situations. We could also make our way back down, as indicated with the green marker. We could make our way back down, break that bottom trend line, and dip even further. Bitcoin is extremely volatile. It's in a highly sort of unregulated asset class as of right now. So always proceed with caution. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on my 1 hour and 4 hour chart setup. Do you agree with it or not? Do you have any other ways that you view technical analysis, any other indicators? Do you use the pattern method? Are there other methods out there that you use? I would love to know those details. Please like, share, and subscribe. And you guys have a good rest of your day.